guys, a lawn is highlighted by clean lawn edges. For the video I used a grass trimmer with wheel that can also be folded sideways. Always wear protective goggles when working with a lawn trimmer. With a little practice succeed straight lawns edges after a short time. So assure with little effort a brilliant look for your lawn. By simply folding the lawn trimmer can also be used horizontally, like here at the pavement drains. The result can be seen, right? I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay healthy. See you soon. You easy do it.